So my name is Yash Sharma. I am the founder and director in Ganesha Ecosphere and the founder of brand Go Rewise. So what we do is basically we recycle post-consumer waste and create recycled PET materials, which then find their application in primary supply chains like a circular economy packaging solution. So for example, now we are, supplying to all big global FMCG brands to help them make recycled PET bottles now again. So it's a perfect circular, closed loop, circular economy solution for your packaging needs. For us, for us, it has been a very, challenging journey so far, in creating this whole ecosystem, collecting the plastic waste from all across the country, recycling it to a level where we're able to get, the food safety, the very stringent process controls for brand owners, for food safety, aspects of it. Very delighted to be here in the exhibition and with the panel discussion regarding how we are pushing sustainability, into the FMCG industry and helping brands, close their loop on their packaging solutions to promote sustainability and their ESG goals. So I think for me, it's always about persistence. So what I've always thought is that once you have your goal, set out in a very detailed manner, you understand what you're going to achieve, how you're going to achieve. I think constant striving for perseverance and finding solutions to your problems, networking with people, reaching out, asking for help. I think the perseverance is the key has been the key for me. It took us 3 years to launch this food grade recycled plastic packaging solution for the first time in India. It's been a very promising and fulfilling journey for me personally. So yeah. No, I think quite promising and quite good actually. I mean, for me, visiting CMPL for the first time, I think I'm gonna be forever be a part of this network now, and we try to always be present in whatever you guys will be doing, from now on. Yeah, so I mean, CMPL. I think for the upcoming brands, I think this is the perfect platform for them to to come here to find their solutions, to develop partnerships that they are looking for, because everyone needs that in the beginning to start, right? And I think currently I think it's more focused on FMCG. I think slowly you can there is a potential to include many other materials like textiles, like pharma. There are many other potential other products and applications as well, yeah, right? Where you have the potential to include more and more manufacturers from different fields, the corresponding brand owners will also be much and much more. So I think that's a very good potential for the industry to grow for you as well. I think I would say beautiful, to be honest, for me till now.